Alright guys, dito tayo ngayon sa Mall of Asia. Tayo ay hahanap ng kakainan. Meron dito na ito. So, ang target natin kainan ngayon ay Tom Yum Buffet. So, let's see kung ano yung makakain natin doon at kung goods ba doon talaga.
Table for two. We walked in slow, neon lights glowing, a quiet booth where no one's knowing. Your hair brushed mine like summer wine, and suddenly the world felt fine. The waiter smiled, said, "Take your time." But time was dancing in your eyes. Manners open, but we both knew tonight's not food, it's me and you. You laughed when I couldn't choose. Said love tastes better when you lose. Table for two, hearts on the menu. Every bite feels like deja vu. Sweet like the cake, warm like the bread. Spinning like wine, going straight to my head. Forget your head, but your feet in my soul. Love's the only thing that it can't control. Table for two, under soft lights glow. Falling for you with every course. Your lips tasted like cherry pie. Or maybe it's just the way you smile. We shared one plate but stole some more of each other than ever before. Past tangled like your hair. I swear I got lost somewhere in there. And when your words sauce off my cheek, I forgot every word I could speak. You said desert, I said stay. Let's make this moment overstay. Table for two, hearts on the menu. Every bone feels like deja vu. See like a cake, warm like the bread. Spinning like wine, going straight to my head. Walking your head, but you're feeling my soul. Love's the only thing I can control. Table for two, under five lights glow. Falling for you with every chord. Coffee's cold, but I don't mind. I'm drunk on you, not the wine. Feel content, but I can't see anything but you and me. So let them close, we'll stay somehow.
Natutulad eh, mabilis lang.
Pwede lagi naman po.
Alright guys, so far so good guys. Medyo parang masulit siya guys kasi dun sa mga ibang buffet na nakakainan namin. Hindi na lang po namin sasabihin pero mas maraming option dito. Lalo na Asian cuisine and dun sa mga grill choices na pwede mong i-grill, maraming option from pork, beef, seafood, chicken.
Salang talaga sa gilid.
So ito pa yung isa sa mga advantage nila, meron din silang shabu-shabu kasi nga grilled and shabu-shabu naman kasi talaga tong buffet na to. Pero yun, sulit siya. Marami ka ng options. At masasarap yung food nila. Lalo na to guys. Sobrang, sobrang sarap niya. Then,
Wala ka maipin.
oh, so far, maganda naman yung experience. Aray ko, ang init. Nasunog na aking balahibo sa kamay. Ngayon, sarap. So, ito, nandun tayo ngayon sa ano. Tongyang grilled and shabu-shabu dito sa Mall of Asia. Para siyang ano, pinagsamang Vikings and Yakimitsu yung itsura niya. Pero mas mura siya sa Vikings. Halos sa presyo lang siya ng Yakimitsu. Okay. Okay guys, sige mag-grill pa kami. Ito yung niluluto namin ngayon.
Table for two.